First zoom and press the Ctrl plus space plus left mouse key. Create a duplicate layer, press Ctrl plus J. Double-click to layer and change name. Go to Filter, click Noise, click to open Reduce Noise. Follow the same step by step. Now I will show you before and after. Press Ctrl plus J, create duplicate layer. Change the layer name. Go to Filter, click Blur, click to Surface Blur. Again same, follow the step. Go to Filter, click Sharpen, click to unsharp mask. Again same, follow the step. Go to Filter, click to open Camera Raw Filter. Click to Detail. Adjust the noise reduction, 31. Adjust the sharpening, 40. Adjust the color noise reduction, 40. Create group layer, press the Ctrl plus G. Group, change layer name. I will show you final result.